Rolling through the city, only 4 Giotto, skinny, cheap and bubble gum.
God damn.
Oh, man.
Ultimate Sound QualiTity.
So, Trez, how you doing?
Single little 12-inch sub down under there.
Good, can't complain.
Mm-hmm.
You got the acrylic baffle, or plate, so you can see it. See the back of the sub, the whole 9 yards.
Wow. What series?
Yep.
Tell me
And
more.
13 speakers throughout the vehicle.
Wow. Gotta tell me more.
Got the fancy 3-way setup up front.
Wow. Hertz? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, all Hertz millis.
Nice. Wow.
3-way front stage, 3-way rear stage, single 12-inch sub.
Wow.
Running off 4 Voice Quattros and 1 Voice Uno on the sub.
Man, 4 voice quattros and 1 voice uno.
Yep. So 3 4 channels and a single channel.
Wow.
Wow, this shit is sick.
Ain't it though?
Man, how much are these bitches?
The three just for 2 3-inch speakers are like $580, and then the pods are another $260.